The cycle of life above us lies the endless sky, a canvas of dreams, infinite and full of possibilities. It's here where every journey begins, with the hope of what's to come. Below, the ocean whispers its eternal song. Its waves kiss the shore, reminding us that time moves forward, unstoppable and unyielding. Each wave a story, each tide a new chapter. And from the sands of time, life emerges, fragile yet resilient. A flower blooms, a symbol of growth, beauty, and the simple miracles of existence. But life isn't without storms. Rain falls, unbidden and unpredictable, washing over us like challenges we cannot avoid. Yet, it nourishes the earth, bringing renewal and growth. Within the depths of the forest, life takes root. A maze of paths lies before us, representing the choices and mysteries that shape our journey. Here, we find ourselves, lost yet learning. Then, the sun breaks through. Its light touches everything, filling the world with warmth and hope. It reminds us that even after the darkest storms, there is always a dawn. Through the trees, light pierces the shadows, guiding us forward. It is clarity, understanding, and the realization that even the smallest spark can illuminate the path ahead. The earth beneath our feet holds us steady. Its strength reminds us of where we come from, grounding us in our roots and anchoring us as we reach for the sky. Beside the rivers and lakes, we find peace. Water flows freely, adapting to every obstacle in its path. It teaches us to move with grace and to embrace life's ever-changing currents. Then comes fire, the spark of transformation. It burns away the old and fuels our passions. From the flames, we are reborn, stronger and more determined than before. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky transforms into a masterpiece of color. It is a reminder that every ending carries the promise of a new beginning. And above it all, the clouds drift by, carrying our stories to the heavens. The cycle continues, unbroken and eternal, a journey of life, of growth, of renewal. This is the cycle of life, a journey through nature, a reflection of ourselves. Let us embrace it, cherish it, and find beauty in every moment.